everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our new styles in terms of chairs. Okay, this is going to be one of our fashion chairs. This is going to be an all white chair. Okay, we're going to have a good amount in stock, so on our website, you can check them out. Now I'm going to go ahead and measure the chair for you. I'll measure the overall height and the height from the floor to where you sit. Okay, so overall height from floor to where you sit, you're looking at about 17 inches, and the overall height of the chair, you're looking at about 34 inches high. Okay, so it's a very nice looking chair. You can use it for your business, maybe for your reception room, or maybe, I don't know, barbershop or salon. Now, if you're interested in these chairs, you like the style, go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. That's where we'll update more information regarding these chairs as well as the price. Now, also, if you have any other questions, maybe you didn't find the answer to on the website, you can also give us a call and we can help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.